Howdy Crafty parents! We've come up with some pretty handy DIY hacks that you're definitely going to want to share with your kids. So here are 30 useful tips and projects for you to do together. But first, make sure you show us some love by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and clicking the thumbs up button if you liked this video. Let's get started. Sock organizer. First, fold a piece of felt fabric in half long ways and cut along the crease. Do the same for 3 more pieces. Then glue the pieces together in this pattern with your hot glue gun. Now, roll up your socks and place them in the holders you made. Place the sock organizer in a drawer or hang it up. Tissue box. For this hack, you'll need to bend a roll of toilet paper a bunch of times so you can pull the cardboard out of the center. Take an empty box and cut an oval out of the top. Put the toilet paper into the box. Feed the tissue through the hole and glue the box closed. You'll never have to worry about running out of tissue again. Paper plate candy dish. On a paper plate, trace out 4 lines as you see here. Cut along the lines up the corners. Fold the edges up and glue the sides together. Wrap a pretty ribbon around it, and place your favorite candies and treats inside for your guests. Word puzzles. Here's a clever way to help kids learn their words. Grab a long Lego and write a word on the side with a marker. Then, grab a few smaller Legos and write 1 letter of the word on each Lego. Encourage kids to put the Legos together in the correct order to match the word below. You can do this with as many words as you like. Make it more challenging by mixing up the letters. Yay! You made learning fun! Washcloth octopus. First, lay out a washcloth and crumple up a sheet of aluminum foil. Crinkle it into a tight ball. Then wrap the cloth around it. Secure it around the foil ball with a rubber band. Let's give this little sea creature some legs. Braid the ends together and tie cute bows at the end. Glue on some googly eyes and give him a fun bandana while you're at it. This can make it more fun to get clean during bath time, but it makes a cute toy with or without the bubbles. Wall art from old toys. If you've got a bunch of gift boxes, try this nifty hack. Glue the lids of boxes together in whatever design you fancy. Glue in a few decorative toys and display it as adorable art on the wall. Nautical bracelet. Grab a couple of colors of rope ribbon from the craft store. Measure it to your wrist and cut. Tape the ends together. Then tie the 2 pieces into a fancy knot. Tape the ends together and fray one end of the rope. Feed the clasp through the end and tie the rope to keep it in place. Tape the ends and trim away the frayed ends. Wrap a piece of colorful thread around the end to cover up the tape. Tape the other side and wrap it in the colorful thread as well. Now try it on. Isn't this a cool bracelet? DIY headband. Lay out a piece of stretchy fabric in your favorite color. Use a ruler to draw rows in the center of the fabric with chalk. Cut along the lines, leaving the fabric intact on the sides. Fold it over and glue the sides together. When it dries, you'll have a totally unique headband. Razor hack. Ouch! Razor cuts hurt. Here's a way to prevent those nasty cuts in the future. Just secure a binder clip over the sharp end of the razor. Now you won't cut yourself. Necklace hack. Don't you hate it when necklace chains get all tangled up? We've got a hack to fix that. Just feed the end of your necklace through a straw. And clasp it together. That was easy, right? Jewelry holder. Grab a binder and some glitter foam sheet. Measure and cut the sheet to fit inside the binder. Poke holes along the rings of the binder and also throughout the sheet. Draw several squares connecting the holes on the back of the sheet. Use an X-Acto knife to cut slits in the sheet, like this. When you pop them out, they will make these flaps. Poke 2 holes in the bottom of each flap. And put the sheets in your binder. Next, cut a strip out from the remaining glitter foam sheet and attach a small piece of Velcro to the back. Glue the strip to the back of the binder and attach the other side of the Velcro to the front of the binder. Now you can fasten it closed. Store your jewelry inside the binder for easy access to your favorite pieces. Need to spill-proof your drink? Use a corkscrew to make a hole in the lid. Put a straw in the hole, and you're ready to go. Organize your lunches in a snap with this trick. Cut your sandwich into triangles and place in a reusable container. Peel your oranges and place them in a baggie. Put your apple slices in a bag as well. Then put the baggie in with your sandwich. Now the fruit won't make your sandwich soggy. Lunchtime! Before you pack your shampoo and other liquid toiletries in your bag, try this hack. Take off the lid and wrap a piece of plastic over the opening of the bottle. Then put the lid back on. No more spills. Remote controls can get so dirty. Here's a way to protect those buttons and keep them nice and clean. Just wrap a piece of plastic wrap around the remote control and heat it up with a hairdryer. This will shrink the plastic, sealing your remote to keep it protected. Stuck buttons are a thing of the past with this hack. Here's a clever way to store your flash drive. Cut a wine cork in half and measure it to the end of the flash drive. Cut out a hole for the drive on both halves with an X-Acto knife. That's all there is to it. When you get the end of the eraser on your pencil, extend its life with this trick. Just use a pencil sharpener to shave away the metal around the eraser to expose more of the eraser. Works like a charm. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. See you later.